Yes, we start from Alianyang Street, precisely in front of the Alianyang Market. Later, we'll turn right at the intersection of 4 red light. Intersection 4 Kuala, or also called 4 Malay Houses, Allied Hall, or formerly called the intersection of 4 buildings fighting Singkawang City. Well guys, later we'll Reza bring friends to enjoy the afternoon atmosphere in Singkawang City. We're gonna go through business centers, tongkrongan centers, and cool places in Singkawang City. Let friends later if you go to travel and sightseeing in Singkawang City. The guys will know where the location, the most cool places in Singkawang City, which is a reference for friends to relax and enjoy. Tourist atmosphere in Amoy City. The city is tolerated. Heritage City and city tourism in West Kalab. Well, now we're at the crossroad. Red light or for Kuala intersection. Atmosphere this afternoon, indeed. Singkawang residents have started busy doing activities, her daily life. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Happy early morning and best wishes to all of us. Yeah guys, welcome back to Reza Singkawang's YouTube channel. Wong. Okay guys, we start at the intersection of 4 Kuala, or intersection of 4 houses, Malay cognate how. Well guys, later will be Reza take it to the centers, the most cool Hangkrongan in Singkawang City, exactly on the farm road. Yes friends, yes. Well, now that we've been on Yos Sudaso Street, so if we go straight to the end, it's a seaport. Singkawang City, yeah, friends, yeah, the so-called Kuala Singkawang City, yes. Well, there are also a lot of places of hanging out and cool places that can you guys visit even friends in Singkawang City. Well, next at Junction 4, Yosudasu Street, Farm Road, and this Rainbow Road, we turn left. If we go right through the street, Master Terminal, yes my friends, yes. Well, now that we're on Farmer Street, there is a coincidence in front of us. Gentleman who were pushing his car who experienced strike. Yeah guys, yeah. Well, hopefully the car immediately starts or turns on and can be driven back. Well guys, on this farm road, there are a lot of Chinese settlements, the settlements of our families, our brothers and sisters of ethnic Chinese, and there are some housing. There are also a lot of places relax and places to hang out. Well guys, before we continue, friends who have not supported Reza Singkawang's YouTube channel by subscribing, share, like, and give positive comments. Let Reza be excited. Again, create the best content about subscribe immediately. Subscribe is free and good. Amin ya Robbal Alamin. Ha! Well, later on this farm road, we're gonna go through Singkawang Grand Mall. We will also pass some cafes famous in Singkawang City, including Omni Cafe, continue to exist. The brother continues to exist. Trikoy, and all kinds of friends that are important on and continue to listen. Just the video, do not skip or miss, because there's so many cool scenery views, cool places you should know. Well, on our right, the hotel will be built Haris. Yeah, guys, yeah. Singkawang will add a 5-star hotel which will soon be built. We are still on the farm road. Later we will pass through the intersection of Newer Alley, intersection, police station, Singkawang City Resort or Singkawang Police Station. Until later we get to Singkawang Grand Mall, and some of us passing through the famous cafes in Singkawang City, until later we get to the AI roundabout, the roundabout. Wicked Ish AI roundabout, roundabouts Owang Ishak, or roundabouts 101, or roundabout welcome in space. Until we later through the Diamond Coral Road. Yeah, Diamond Coral Road or Highway Singkawang, Pontianak. Okay guys, keep watching the video. Don't skip, and don't forget to subscribe, share if it's interesting, give it a like, and give positive comments. Let Reza Spirit again make the best content about Singkawang money. Okay, let's take a walk in Singkawang City, Amoy City, Tourist City, Heritage City, this beautiful one.